Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your lane keeping assist in your 2019 Subaru Forester Sport. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the right hand side of the steering wheel. And once we get to the right hand side of the steering wheel, all you have to do is go to the bottom right corner and press on it. And as you can see, it shows you the digital speedometer currently, but once you press on it, it's gonna show you that the lane keeping assist mode is on. So basically, what is lane keeping assist? So lane keeping assist is, for example, you were driving and somewhere you're swerving off in your own lane. What the car is gonna do is it's gonna give you a mild torque steer, just saying and alarming you that, hey, you're swerving off the lane, let me put you back into your lane. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.